Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find online the total number of words present in a sentences. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, say I have one sentence, so you can see here. So I have one sentence, right? So how to find out the total number of words onlinely present in these sentences, right? So for this, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one name, word counter, and you will see its official website. Just click on it and you will see the UI of this website. So it's a very straightforward website where you can just directly paste your sentences. So let me paste it here. So I paste it. So immediately it will show you below. You can see here 13 words. So you can see here the total number of words. So let us try to count manually. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So here 13 words, right? So if you compare with the characters, then there is a 16 characters, including the space, including the question mark also, right? So by using this website, you can easily find online the total number of words present in sentences very easily. So if you never known about this very useful website named as Word Counter, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.